Imam Musa Al-Kazim. His mother was Hamida, a noble lady from the states of Barbary. In 148 AH, and at the age of 20, Imam Al-Kadhim became the 7th Imam. The Imam lived under the tyrannical Abbasid kings. The new city of Baghdad was constructed as the capital of the empire. In that era, many innocent people were killed, buried alive inside walls, or were imprisoned. The Imam was imprisoned and released multiple times. In 170 AH, the most tyrannical king, Harun Rashid, came to the throne. He saw the great influence and popularity which the Imam enjoyed amongst the people. A few years later, he arrested the Imam in Medina and imprisoned him in Baghdad. On the 25th of Rajab, 183 AH, the Imam was martyred by poison in the prison. His holy body was then left on the bridge of Baghdad for the public to witness. His devotees, however, managed to bury the holy body in Al-Qadmiyah.